Tu Moke Moke is a moteatea and a journey throughout Tauranga Moana, reciting marae, tupuna and sites of significance. Join us as we learn this local waiata and explore our rohe, mai ngā kuri a whare ki te tū.
Nā tamate I whakatō te mauri ki runga o maunga nui. E tiro atu ki uta ki te rākau tapu ātā ki timu. Tū ana au ki runga I te tihi o pūwhenua ka titiro whakararo ki te taumata. Ko te rei nui au te wharekareki o te hāhiringa tū. Ko turuturu te wharekai. Ko ngā tirua hine me ngai tamara waho ngā hapu. Ko Akeake te marae. Heke atu ki o hane. Tiro atu ki kōtore muia. Kau atu ki te kōpūrere rua. Tai atu ki nanako ki mā iwi patu mai ki tukarere. Whai atu ki hūria. Ki roto o tātara mua ki te aro puke me te whakapai waka. Ara te whāngai, a ta marā waho. Me te matua pai kaputaku wairau. Nei rā te ara tapu I hikoe a tō tātou kaitiaki a taurikura. Ka tuituia I ona hapu. Ka tuituia I ona marae. Ka tuituia I ona maunga kia hono tātou I a tātou anō. E rua ngā hapu e here anei. E ko, ngai tamara waho me ngā tirua hine. E rua ngā marae e here anei. E ko, waimapu, rawa ko Akeake. E rua ngā wharekarekia e here anei. E ko, te rei nui ao hau. Rawa ko, te kaupapa tawhito. Nā e nei whareka tū hei oranga. Tētahi kūta. Tētahi kitai. Te taha hau me te taha tawhito te paipera tapu. Nei rā te kōrero te taumata e tāhunatia I te ahika o taurikura. Kei raro I ngā manaakitanga o tō tātou hāhi hei here I a tātou.
Katau ki runga pūwhenua, te kanu hora o tō matai hapu. E rere nā wai o ohane ki wai orani. Tapiri atu ki kopu rererua, te ara o taurikura. Ka pota ki waikari au, te kai o ngai tamarawaho, ki te awa nui ki te awa roa, te whai au ki te awa māra. O te ingoa tūturu o tō mātai marae, ko Akeake. So a lot of people know taumata as taumata, but many years ago it was called Akeake, and we still use that name now for the general area. We're the southernmost sub-tribe of Ngati Ranginui. We're right up in the bush, in the hills. So we are kind of like halfway between Rotorua and Tauranga Moana, which is why we have connections to Awahau and Waititi on the Te Arawa side. The whare tipuna there, or whare karakia, is te rei nui ao. The whare kai is turuturu. Our iwi is obviously Ngati Ranginui. And we have two hapu that we associate with. There's Ngai Tamarawaho of the Judia people, as the river starts where we are at. And Ngati Ruhine, which is the Wakaiti of Waimapu. We're pretty much the same people anyway. Taumata is well known for, I suppose, being the bush part of Tauranga Moana, up in the hills. Families from up there are the Tukaukos, the Williams, and the Ranuis. There's heaps of us there. Across the river, from the Ohani River, we have the Matthews and the Kohu families. And you head a bit towards Oropi and Wainene, that area. We have our cousins from Ngaitahi, Ngati He. We have the Omanoa River, which is our boundary line, and straight across the Omanoa River is Ngati Kahu and Ngati Hangarau. So we're kind of centralised between those two hapu, which is why we have strong connections with them as well. Well, there wasn't a marae up there traditionally. The marae was built in the 1954-55 summer, and that whare is based on the hahi ringatu. Yeah, so people know a bit about Te Werenga and the slash and burn kind of campaign that the British had to basically wipe out as much food supplies as they could to the locals, so they couldn't supply food to any ho-ho or anybody else that was fighting against them. And they spent 4 days up in Taumata burning and pillaging, taking the crops. It took them 4 days because that's how much food there was. There was 200 troops came through, Pākehā troops with Te Arawa troops as well, and a few others mixed in there. Yeah, they took a long time there burning out any houses and villages that were there. Turuturu, the name Turutu, which is the name of our whare, which is also an area up on the Akeake or Taumata block. One kōrero says that a baby was killed and bayoneted, and another kōrero was that one of the kuia there who couldn't move and couldn't leave when the soldiers came basically got bashed to bits, and she died sometime after. And the Turuturu was about the dripping of the blood from her. So there's some different versions of that, but that's some of the core. You know, even though some bad things can happen in your lives and things have happened in history that aren't great, learn those things and more importantly, learn from those things. Know your history. Don't hold a grudge and don't repeat history in the same kind of instance. You know, we enjoy it up home. We live up in the bush and we have rivers to swim in and our kids ride their horses and all those sort of things, and they disappear in the bush for hours, and we're just lucky to have a place like that where our kids can be raised in. So yeah, I'd say just enjoy what you have around you and enjoy your family. That's what we do up here.